In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your supplier a purchase order using Xero. Navigating through financial software can sometimes feel a little daunting, but with Xero, it's designed to be as straightforward and streamlined as possible. So let's walk through the process step by step, and you'll quickly see how easy it is to get everything set up. To begin, you'll want to start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a plus icon. This icon is your go-to for creating new transactions or documents, including purchase orders, which is what we're focusing on today. So go ahead and click that plus icon. After you click, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Purchase Order. This selection is crucial because it opens up the purchase order template we need to start filling out. Now, take your time to fill in all the necessary details in the purchase order template. Essential information typically includes the supplier's details, what products or services you're buying, the quantities, and any terms or notes relevant to this order. While you're filling it out, remember to double-check all the entries to avoid errors. This is especially important if you're ordering multiple items or if the supplier requires specific terms to be noted. An accurate purchase order helps ensure that you and your supplier are on the same page, and it prevents any misunderstandings later on. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the entries, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll notice at the bottom of the page there are options to save or approve the purchase order. If you're satisfied with everything and ready to proceed, you can go ahead and click on the Save button. Alternatively, if you have approval settings in place, you might need to complete the approval process before you can send it off. When you have either saved or obtained approval, the next action is to send the purchase order to your supplier. Xero makes this process simple. All you need to do is follow prompts to send it directly through the platform. You can customize the notification that your supplier will receive, which can be especially useful if you need to highlight any specific details or attach additional information. And there you have it. It's that simple. You've successfully sent a purchase order using Xero. This efficient process not only keeps your records organized, but also fosters clear communication with your supplier. By taking these steps, you're leveraging the power of Xero to maintain smooth transactions and professional relationships with your suppliers. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.